Publius Vergilius Maro, the second Eclogue, episode 9. First, the scansion of the poetry. Mille meae siculis erdrant in montibus agnae. Lac mihi non aestata novum non frigora de fit. Now I will mark the feet more specifically. Mille me, that's a dactyl. I, sicu, that's a dactyl. Lis, erd, that's a spondy. Erdrant in, that's a spondy. Montibus dactyl agnae, like so. And again, note the bucolic diaresis, that is the diaresis after the fourth foot. The next line, lac mihi non I sta te no, so we have dactyl, dactyl, dactyl. Sta te no womb non, there's a spondy. Frigora de fit. And once again, a bucolic diaresis. Now the translation. Remember, in the previous two lines, Corydon was complaining that Alexis is not interested in him nor in his vast wealth and property. So now, Corydon is going to explain just how rich he is. Mille meae agnae. My 1,000 lambs wander, or graze, siculis in montibus, in Sicilian mountains. Lac mihi non. Milk does not run out for me, or the milk I have does not run out. That is, new milk, lac novum, in the summertime. It does not run out when it's cold, meaning in the wintertime. Remember that this pastoral poetry was invented by the Greek poet Theocritus, who was a native of Sicily, and that's why we have these Sicilian references, as well as the extensive talk of agriculture and mountains and things like that. The syntax here is quite simple. Agnae is our subject in the feminine plural and nominative. It's modified by two things, meae in the same gender number case, and mille, which is indeclinable. The verb erdrant is a third plural from the first conjugation verb erdro, erdrardre, like so, and notice how it is almost directly in the center of the line. Then we have siculis in montibus. Montibus is a masculine plural ablative. It's called an ablativus loci, an ablative of place, and it's modified by siculis, of or relating to Sicily, which is separated from the mountains by two words, erdrant and in. So notice that the wanderers, erdrant, meaning the sheep, are placed within the Sicilian mountains. Isn't that clever? For the next line, the subject is lac, which is neuter, singular, and nominative. It's modified by novum, new milk, non defit, non defit. New milk does not run out. And this is the verb defio, which means to run out or to fail. It does not run out to me. So mihi, masculine singular, and dative. This would be a dative of reference, perhaps a dative of possession. My new milk, you might say. It doesn't fail at either of two times. Aestata frigore. Aestate, third declension, feminine, singular, ablative of time within which. Frigore, neuter, singular, third declension, ablative of time within which. The first of these two lines we can represent schematically like this. Meae goes with agnae, siculis goes with montibus, and the verb is in the middle. But notice that meae is an adjective, siculis is an adjective, montibus is a noun, agnae is a noun. So there are several different ways to analyze this. The second of these two lines is arguably simpler. We have non aestate, non frigore, with lac corresponding to novum, mihi stuck here at the beginning for emphasis, and the verb defit coming at the end, which is a typical place for Latin verbs.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.